All right, what's this concept of PPS sampling? Well, this stands for probability proportional to size sampling. A mouthful right there. And what are we going to see here? Just underline that there. So memorize, I wouldn't really be worried about like calculation based questions, but be familiar with this concept here. It's going to be a method used to estimate overstatement errors. So right there, you got a nice definition. Make sure you know that. It works to select a sample of items from a population of items based on their size. We're going to see with different methods of sampling, you're going to apply them in certain situations when you think it's appropriate as an auditor. Now, I really don't think you're going to see anything where, oh, you need to determine what sampling technique you need to use. But if you're familiar with them, you could probably go ahead and do that anyway. In this method, items are selected at random with a probability proportional to their size. And we'll see an example here. This means that items with a higher size have a greater chance of being selected than items with a lower size. What do we mean by that? You have an example. For example, if two items have sizes of 10 and 20, meaning maybe you've got a $10 invoice and a $20 invoice, the item with the size of 20 will have twice the chance of being selected than the item with the size of 10. And this could apply to anything, right? You've got a receipt for $10, a receipt for $20. You've got interest expense payment for $10 or $20. So these are individual transactions, or maybe it's a $10,000 account balance or a $20,000 account balance. The item with the higher size will have, in this case, double the chance of being selected. The goal here is to ensure that the sample is representative of the population. And that makes sense because, well, the $20 transaction is taking up double the space in the population of the $10 one. And this allows the auditor to make reliable estimates of the population. Being familiar with this technique, I think it was a pretty clear, concise way to go about it. Pat myself in the back. Yeah, be familiar with it, know it, love it, enjoy. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.